Ever wondered why some websites are more successful than others? It's not just about the content, but how well the website is managed and optimized for search engines and social media. In the vast digital landscape, website management is a critical task. It's not just about building a website and letting it sit there. No, it's about nurturing and growing it, much like a garden. And like any garden, it needs regular care and attention. This is where regular content updates come into play. Content is the lifeblood of any website. It's what pulls in the audience, keeps them engaged, and brings them back for more. But it's not enough to just create content. It needs to be fresh, relevant, and up to date. Regularly updating your website with new articles, blog posts, or product and service updates keeps it vibrant and dynamic. But why is fresh content so important? Well, for starters, it attracts visitors. People are always on the lookout for new information, insights, and solutions. When they find a website that consistently provides fresh content, they're more likely to bookmark it, visit often, and share it with others. Yet the benefits of regular content updates go beyond just attracting visitors. It's also about visibility, specifically search engine visibility. Search engines love fresh content. When they see a website that is regularly updated, they view it as a valuable resource that deserves a higher ranking. The higher your website ranks on search engine results pages, the more visible it becomes to potential visitors. So, think of regular content updates as a tool for attracting visitors and improving search engine rankings. It's a simple yet effective strategy that can go a long way in managing and growing your website. So remember, keeping your website's content fresh and up to date is one of the first steps towards effective website management. Keywords are like the signposts of the digital world. They guide search engines to your website. Now imagine you're on a road trip. Without signs, you'd get lost, right? Well, the same goes for your website in the vast digital landscape. Keywords act as these essential signposts, leading search engines and consequently users right to your doorstep. So how do you find the right signposts or keywords? You conduct keyword research. This involves identifying words and phrases that your target audience might use to find your products or services. And once you have these keywords, what do? You optimize. You weave these keywords into your content, meta tags, headings, and URLs. This is like placing your signposts strategically so that they're easily visible. Remember, the goal is to guide search engines to your website, and the better your signposts, the higher the chances of getting noticed. By conducting thorough keyword research and optimization, you can significantly improve your website's visibility on search engines. On-page SEO is like the interior design of your website. It's all about making your content attractive and easily understandable for search engines. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty of on-page SEO essentials. Firstly, title tags. Think of them as the headline of your web page, the first thing search engines see. An effective title tag is both relevant and enticing, capturing the essence of your page while incorporating your target keywords. Next, meta descriptions. These are the little snippets appearing under your title in search results, providing a brief overview of your page. To maximize their impact, include your target keywords and make them compelling. Don't forget image alt attributes too. These are descriptions that help search engines understand your images. They're crucial for accessibility and can also contribute to your SEO efforts by including relevant keywords. Lastly, heading tags from H1 to H3 help structure your content, making it easier for search engines to navigate. Mastering on-page SEO elements ensures your website's content is easily understood and highly ranked by search engines. Technical SEO is like the backstage crew of a theater production. They ensure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. It's not just about sprinkling keywords and creating engaging content. There's a lot more going on behind the curtain that can significantly impact your website's visibility online. Regular audits of your website are crucial to spot any technical snags that could be hindering your SEO performance. It's like a health checkup for your site, identifying issues like broken links, crawl errors, and page load speed. The structure of your website also plays a key role. Implementing a proper URL structure, using canonical tags, and creating an XML sitemap are all important tasks. They might not sound glamorous, but they're essential to guide search engines through your site effectively. Think of it like laying out a clear, well-marked path for your guests in a large mansion. You wouldn't want them to get lost, would you? Addressing these technical SEO aspects facilitates search engine crawling and indexing, making it easier for your website to be discovered. In today's digital age, being mobile-friendly and socially connected is more important than ever. Let's delve into the world of mobile optimization and social media integration, two key components that significantly impact your website's user experience and search engine rankings. Imagine this, you're out and about and you want to check out a website on your phone, but the text is too small, the links are hard to click, and the images are off the screen. Frustrating, right? This is where mobile optimization comes in. By ensuring your website is responsive across various devices and screen sizes, you're not just making your site more accessible, you're also boosting your search engine rankings. Google, for instance, has a mobile-first indexing policy, meaning it predominantly uses the mobile version of the content for indexing and ranking. So if your site isn't mobile-friendly, it could negatively impact your search engine visibility. Now, let's shift gears and talk about social media integration. With billions of people using social media worldwide, integrating your website with these platforms is a no-brainer. By adding social media buttons to your website, you're giving visitors an easy way to share your content on their social networks. This not only increases your content's reach, but also enhances your website's visibility. You can also embed social media feeds from your official profiles to your site. This not only adds dynamic content, but also helps engage visitors with your brand on multiple platforms. But remember, it's not just about slapping some social media buttons on your site or making sure it looks good on a mobile device. It's about creating a seamless experience where your website and social media platforms work together to engage, inform, and connect with your audience. Ensuring mobile optimization and integrating social media into your website not only improves user experience, but also boosts your website's visibility. So take the time to optimize your website for mobile and make it socially connected. Your audience and the search engines will thank you for it. Social media isn't just about posting updates. It's about creating conversations and promoting your content effectively. It's about fostering a dialogue with your audience, responding to comments, messages, and mentions. This active engagement creates a sense of community around your brand, making your audience feel valued and heard. But it's not just about the conversation. It's also about how you promote your content on these platforms. Think of each social media post as a spotlight, highlighting your website content for your audience. Each post is an opportunity to drive traffic back to your site, increasing visibility and potential conversions. And don't forget about the power of social media advertising. By promoting your content to targeted demographics, you can reach a broader audience than you might organically. Effective social media engagement and content promotion are more than just tasks on a to-do list. They're essential strategies for enhancing your social media optimization. Remember, active social media engagement and strategic content promotion are key elements to enhancing your SMO. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and so should your strategies. That's the mantra to keep in mind as we delve into the final scene of our guide to managing your website and enhancing SEO and SMO. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of monitoring. Imagine running a race blindfolded, not knowing where your competitors are or how close you are to the finish line. That's what it's like running a website without monitoring its performance. Website analytics and social media metrics are your eyes in this race, providing invaluable insights into user behavior, traffic sources, and engagement metrics. These numbers tell a story, revealing what's working, what's not, and where there's room for improvement. But monitoring isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Regularly tracking these metrics can help you adjust and optimize your strategies in real time, ensuring that you're always on top of your game. It's like having a personal coach who's continually giving you feedback and helping you improve. Next, let's move on to staying informed. The world of SEO and SMO is dynamic, with search engine algorithms and social media platforms constantly changing. And these changes aren't just minor tweaks. They can significantly impact your website's visibility and your content's reach. That's why it's crucial to stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in the field. It's like being a surfer who's always watching the waves, ready to ride the next big one. And lastly, the key to success is adaptation. The insights you gain from monitoring and staying informed should guide your strategies. If a particular keyword isn't driving traffic, switch it up. If your audience is more active on a different social media platform, adjust your focus. By being flexible and responsive, you can navigate the digital landscape with agility and precision. By continuously analyzing, staying informed, and adapting, you can effectively manage your website and enhance its SEO and SMO, driving more traffic and engaging with your audience effectively. And that, my friends, is how you stay ahead in the digital race.